Hello everyone, today I am coming at you with the January 2022, which is just wild to me, reveal for the mystery. And I am so excited. Every year in January I do a birthday kit, and in the past I have done a celestial birthday kit, which actually I'm going to show you real quick. A lot of questions recently about mysteries coming back to the shop. I do have both January of last year and December to release still. So they are coming, and if you didn't know, mysteries are exclusive to the subscribers, the people who purchase them, for a year, and then I evaluate if I'm going to bring them back to the shop or not. Most of the time I do bring them back to the shop, so that will be coming soon. So I've had the celestial one, we've had a like pink and black super chic one, we've had a pink planner birthday kind of vibe one, and this year I wanted to do something a little bit different. And a lot of the comments that I saw were that a lot of the kits kind of lean really, really girly. So I wanted to do something a little bit different this year, still girly, but I think it's a little bit more versatile, and I'm really excited to hear what y'all think about it. And I can't wait to also hear who you plan to use this kit for. Let me know in the comments down below, or what for, because I'll show you. So let's get into it. Also with January mystery, I do like to put in some extras just as like the start of the new year. So without further ado, here is the January mystery kit. It is very neutral themed while still being very like trendy, and I don't know, I just think it could kind of go for a lot of things. So not only could you use this for a birthday, but I feel like you could also use it for a bridal shower. You could use it for a baby shower. You could use it for a wedding. You could use it for really any type of celebration, I think, because it's very neutral, not only in colors, but also in the theme, while still being like super cute. So here are the full boxes. So you have two different double box scenes, but both of them I think could stand on their own. I've been liking if there's two different double boxes to kind of separate one and maybe put like a quote box on one and then maybe like just frame out another one. So these again are the main 8 boxes. So you have some presents, a cake, an outfit, and a food flat lay. So all of the favorite things. And then you have like a table setting, which I love these flowers. It's just so whimsical and beautiful. And then down here, there is also just a really cute like cake kind of like backdrop. So that is the full box page. These are the colors. They're so dreamy, neutral. You have this really pretty, it's almost like a lighter terracotta with this muted pink, a gray, and then a really nice like muted brown. And then over here you have 2 full boxes of hands. There is the third option on this page here, but we'll get to that. So you have that there. And then you have the deco page, the glitter header page, the half boxes page, the solid, and the pattern page, as well as the bottom washi, which has this gorgeous, gorgeous petal flower print. I am obsessed. And then you have an extra full box here, which I think this might be the first mystery where I started including full boxes on this page. I think all of the ones prior to that might have just had the bottom washi like on there as well. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe last month I started adding them, but you'll get an extra full box on there, and then that also works well for the mini kit users. So that is the full box. You have some flowers and then a drink. And then here is the fashion page, and then your labels, which you might know there's only like 2 options here, but both in the mini and the ultimate kit, since this page does come in the mini, I'll show y'all then, you do get all 6 fam options, so you can use as many or none of them if you want. So there are lots and lots of options here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Oops. And they are super cute. I love this girl's tattoos and her hair all slicked back. Ugh, it's just adorable. And it is kind of like a double box, but you can totally like switch them however you want, or just use one or the other. But I think this makes it more versatile, and I love it. So that is in both the mini and the ultimate kit, along with this page as well. And then the last page here has your 15mm strip. You have your extra skin tone option for the ones I showed you before. And then there are 3 gift boxes here. So you have one that says, "Oh baby, love is in the air," and then "Happy birthday." So you can use those to kind of, for whatever special occasion you're using it for. So that is the January mystery, and I am so excited and I cannot wait to use it. I just feel like there's so many times I could use this kit, and I'm like, I don't know when. Like, when is the best time? Let me know in the comments down below when you are planning on using it so I can get some inspiration. But let's go through the extras. So not only do you get the extra sheet of full boxes with the extra fam, but there is also some doodles. So here are some birthday themed doodles. Super cute. There is also an extra of the matte bronze birthday boxes. It's not going to focus. But it's the same ones that are in shop, but in matte bronze, because the foil bundle, it's actually a new format foil bundle, and I think I'm calling it Sparkle. And they're like little diamonds, but it's pretty universal. I think it kind of like merges the confetti format with almost like a star or a twinkle, something very neutral, a little bit more neutral than a star, I think. So kind of like a twinkle, but like a confetti, kind of in the middle of there as far as like neutralness of theme. I think you can use this with this kit, or you could totally use it with other kits, but like I don't know a better foil for this. If you wanted to do different foil, I do think a gold would be pretty, or a champagne lights, but also I do think rose would be really nice with it, or silver. I think silver would pop really well. Or if you have something that is more of a copper tone, that would be really cool as well, because it would also pop. Or if you had like an olive or like a baby pink. But for me personally, I do really like the matte bronze with it because it has all of those like brown tones and it'll really bring those out. So this is the format. Let me see if I can get a good look at it. So you do have the 6 full boxes and the glitter header overlays, and you get 2 pages of that. You do get the 2 pages of the bougie boxes. You get the icons and the scripts, as well as the bottom washi, the fancy headers, the deco, and the date numbers. I am obsessed with this foil bundle, and there's a lot more to come in this foil bundle. I have some mixed metal options coming as well in the future. So that is everything for the ultimate kit, and I'm so excited and I can't wait to use it. I think it's going to be so pretty laid out, especially with the matte bronze. So that is the January mystery. Oh, my baby might be waking up. That's the January mystery, and it is no longer available. So if you sign up next month, which I will leave the date down below, that would be for February mystery. So if you want to get your hands on this kit and you are not subscribed, I would definitely check out the buy sell trade group, because they sometimes pop up on there. Okay, and let's go through the mini kit real quick. The mini kit does have some extras in it as well for January, so let's go through it. So first things first is you do have the full boxes, the same full box page, the same deco page. I really love this. Actually, you know what? The more I look at this in person, it's like a gray taupe color. That's what it's a better explanation, because I know also whenever you're looking at the video, it's not going to show the colors correct, but maybe that'll like trigger that in your mind, because now I'm seeing a lot more of the taupe colors coming out. I just love it so much. I think it's so pretty. You have your bottom washi page, and then you do have this page here, which usually has the extra color, but like I said, I wanted to do the fashion options in there. So super, super cute. And then the freebie, or the extras. So you do get this as an extra, but there is also the foil, which has the quote boxes, and then also the doodle sheet. So I added some extras in there as well. So that is everything for this month. All of the January mysteries are on their way to their new homes. If you want to sign up for next month, our mystery subscription date is down below. It's also always listed on the frequently asked questions page under the mystery tab. And all of our art's always exclusive, and you won't find it anywhere else. But that is everything for this month's mystery. I hope that y'all love it, and I will talk to you in my next video.